What's up, you guys? Abod here, and this is Whilelab YouTube channel, and here we are with episode, I don't know, maybe 18, 19, something like that, 20. I have to check it out. But anyway, so in this video, this is Python in HackerRank. So we will be solving HackerRank challenge with Python. So today's challenge is Bon Appetit challenge. Okay, so basically the long story short is we have Anne and Brian. Okay, and they have a meal, and they will share a meal basically. So then they want to split the bills, but the problem is Brian wants to take a meal that Anna doesn't want. Okay, so if let's say this bill, each number represents the price of one meal. So here are three meals, and Anna declines to eat the item K2, which is the last one. So she shouldn't pay for that, even yeah. So she shouldn't pay any of the $6 or whatever. If Brian calculates the bill correctly, Anna should pay only $3, which is 2 plus 4 equals 6, and if they split it, so it would be $3 each, and then Brian would pay his for his meal, which is the $6. If he includes the cost of bill 2, he will calculate 2 plus 4 plus 6, which would equal 6. In the second case, he should return 3 to Anna. So if he calculated this way, it's wrong, so he should return or refund Anna $3, so the calculation is correct. So basically in this video I want to do something new because I've just got this beautiful whiteboard. Let me show you. So as you can see, hi. So what we'll do, okay, I just got messed up the focus. I'm gonna write the main parameters of the function. How are we gonna solve it, like by hand? Then we're gonna move on to that monitor and solve it in programming. So let's get to it. So basically we will be given three, okay, let me get that one moment. So we will be given three main variables. First one is bill. Okay, this will be a list of numbers, so let's say 3, 2, 6. The second variable we will get, it's not really that clear, I think. So we got 3 and 2 and 6, and then the second number k, or the second variable, which would equal an integer based on this list. So for example, it could be 0, it could be 0, 1, 2, which indicates the index of the item that Brian wants but Anna doesn't want. So in this scenario, let's bring real numbers, okay, just so we don't confuse ourselves. So we'll be given 3 and 10 and 2, 2 and 9. Oh my god, that's too far away. This is 9, by the way. So yeah, 2 and 9. Then we have the k, which would be, in the first scenario, it would be 1. And then we have lastly b, and b indicates the amount that Brian charged Anna. So for example, in the first scenario it would be 12. Okay, 12. And the challenge wants us to basically calculate this, finds how much Anna should pay, and if this, which is the amount that Brian charged Anna, if it's correct, we should print the challenge name, which is Bon Appetit. Else we should print the correct amount. And basically, so let's find out this. So we said that this is the index of the item that Anna doesn't want, which is this. So we should calculate the sum of the rest of the items. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14, this is the cost of all meals. So we want only the cost, or how much Anna should pay. If all meals except the one that Brian wants is 14, then Anna should only pay $7. But Brian charged her 12. So the correct amount should be should be 7. So here we should return the Brian, the amount that Brian charged Anna, which is 12, minus the correct amount, which is 7, would give us 5. So we should print 5. Basically, we should print $5. So hope this is clear. So let's jump into the screen and solve this. Okay, so here we are in the desktop. Alright, so first thing we want to find out is how much the correct amount that Anna should pay. So how are we going to calculate that? Is by getting the sum, okay, of the bill, as we said, minus, okay, the item that Brian wants, which is indicated by the K. Alright, so now bill should give us the full bill that both should pay, okay, without calculating the item that Brian wants. So Anna pay, or Anna, what will they call it? Okay, let's see. So if we say, let's say, okay, so Anna bill should equal bill divided by 2, and we use double division symbol, so we get a floor. We don't want any floats and decimals. So now what we want to check is if B, and this B means the amount that Brian charged Anna, equals the correct amount, which is we just calculated, then we just print this Bon Appetit. Else, if that's not correct, then as we've said, we just subtract. We subtract B, which is the amount that Brian charged Anna, from the actual amount that, or the actual amount of Anna bill. And this should be it. Let's run the code now. Perfect. Let's submit the code to make sure everything is correct. Indeed it is. So I hope you learned how to solve this awesome challenge, and in the next video I will be explaining how to debug Python code. So if you are interested in that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Peace out.